Microsoft just committed $2.5 billion and 6,000 employees to a brand new division. And what that division does is exactly what I get paid to do for small businesses every single week. It's called Microsoft Frontier Company. Their engineers get embedded inside companies to implement AI. That's it. That's the whole business. And before you say that's just Microsoft being Microsoft, Amazon committed $1 billion to the same model 2 days earlier. OpenAI and Anthropic both built their own versions of this back in May. The four biggest names in AI just spent billions validating a business model that you can copy this week without writing a single line of code. But here's the part where none of them are touching, and thank God, because it's exactly where the money is for people like you and me. Now, let me show you what I mean. So here's the story. Look at this. Microsoft announced that they're putting $2.5 billion right there into a new unit called the Frontier Company. 6,000 employees right there. And they're not building physical products or selling some software licenses. They're physically going to be placed inside of clients' companies, helping them how to figure out how to use artificial intelligence. And there's a name for this. You can see it here in the article. They're calling it forward deployed engineering. And what it means is instead of handing a business some software and wishing them good luck, you just send a human in there to make sure it's done correctly. That human learns the business, they find the bottlenecks, and they install AI where it makes the business the most money. Now, does that sound familiar to you? Because it should. Because that is word for word the AI agency model. And the crazy part is that Microsoft isn't even early, they're late. If you look at the timeline, Anthropic and OpenAI are also copying this forward deployed engineer model, investing billions of dollars to build out their own teams for this. And they're partnering with banks and private equity firms, and they're putting serious money behind this, which is extremely validating. And then you've got Amazon. Amazon just launched another billion-dollar FDE organization. So exactly what we've been talking about at the end of June. You can see right here on the first sentence, as companies struggle to integrate AI, they're increasingly ready to bring in outside help. Now, that is amazing news for us as AI engineers, AI consultants, and especially AI agency owners. Now, none of this is a coincidence. This is finally good news because businesses have now understood they need AI. They're finally willing to accept help, and this is where we come in. And we come in as their saviors because they're raising their hands and saying, hey, look, I really want to use AI, but I have no idea what I'm doing or how to use Claude or how to get the most out of it. We walk in there and say, we need to automate this, that, you're using this wrong. Here's a training for you. I'm going to help you automate your business and actually help you make more money with AI than you ever knew was possible. So if you've been on the fence about jumping into AI and learning this stuff and actually helping businesses with it, this should be a massive green flag for you because these big giants are finally signaling to the market, hey, businesses need this help and we're going to invest billions of dollars to do it because it's one thing for them to just say it, but their actions also match that billions of dollars, thousands of engineers going into businesses and actually helping them. However, now you might be wondering, okay, this sounds like kind of good news, but am I competing with Microsoft and Amazon now? And you're right to think that. However, if you read further in the articles, good news for us is that all of these big companies are targeting the same customers: enterprises, Fortune 500 companies, banks, private equity portfolios. You know who they're not going after and they're not embedding engineers with? Your dentist, the med spa down your street, your local restaurant, the law firm with 6 people, the plumbing company that you called to your house last week doing $2 million a year, the gym owner drowning in missed calls. Millions of small businesses with the exact same problem that Microsoft just spent $2.5 billion to solve are saying, we know AI matters, but we have no idea what to do. And their phone is not ringing. Microsoft is not knocking on their doors. They're never sending an engineer to a dental office in Ohio. The economics just don't work for them, but they work beautifully for one person. And that is exactly what I've built my business on, helping the personal trainers, helping restaurants or real estate agents, building them these automations, helping Airbnb hosts. I've been helping and working with these businesses for the last few years. You can see 2, 3 years ago, I've been documenting my entire journey of how I've helped businesses make more money. For example, helping this daycare who pays me $2,000 every single month, showing them everything that I built for this daycare. Now, this is a viable business model because there are tens of millions of these local businesses and they're willing to pay for it. That has been proven now. So, practically for you, how do you actually copy this $2.5 billion playbook as just one person yourself? Well, there's three moves that you need to do, and this is genuinely what the model comes down to. Move number one is you embed, you don't sell. What that means is Microsoft doesn't say, hey, go buy this software and go use it. They actually go into the business and they talk with the employees and they understand the problems. For For you, that just means picking one niche, one type of business, and getting obsessed with it. How does it operate? Where do the missed calls go? Is it seasonal? Where do the leads die? What kind of CRM do they use? Understand that you're not selling AI. You're the person who understands their business and speaks AI. And that combination is your entire job. Move number two is you install one system inside of their business that increases revenue. Not 50 different automations, but just one thing that they can actually tangibly see is making them more money. Now, that could be an AI receptionist that catches missed calls. That could be a follow up system that revives dead leads. It could be a booking system that fills the calendar. Microsoft has to be all fancy, so they call it a intelligence platform. You can simply just call it, hey, you're going to stop losing 4 grand a month in missed appointments. Move number three is you charge for the outcome. Monthly. I want you to be paid every single month. Microsoft bills for implementation and results. For you, that's a monthly retainer tied to what your system produces. You install it once, you maintain it, you make sure it keeps working every single month. One client can become a couple $100s for you every single month instead of a one off gig. And plainly, that's it. That's the model that these four giants are using, validated with billions of dollars. And that's how you can apply it to your own local market. You find the niche, you embed yourself in there, you install your systems, and then you retain the client with the results that you generate. Now, Microsoft needed $2.5 billion and 6,000 engineers to run this model because their clients are the size of a small country. Now, I run the same model alone. I have one full time employee, which just happens to be my sister, but I work with small businesses, and it works for a very simple reason that demand is everywhere, and almost nobody is capturing it. And the main question that you might be having now is this all makes sense and you do want to get involved with it, but how do you actually get these clients? Because the model is completely worthless without them. That's what I actually break down in this next video right here, the system that I use to close new AI clients every single week, step by step. So if you've got a job and you keep seeing AI videos and you want to make that jump into this space and start your own agency, I don't think there's a better time than right now based on everything that I just showed you in the news. You can watch this video, it'll be in the description as well, and leave any comments in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one.